Hey guys, what's up and welcome to another video. This one I am particularly proud of. This piece is super important for me. It's hanging right there behind me, still in the cover right now. The cradle is standing here, ready to be transported to the place that it's going. For me, big name, big adventure, hopefully a big career move. This has been 2 years in the work to get into a place like this, and oh my god, I even lose my words even just thinking about it. I'm super excited to show this to you guys. I'm super proud, I am super happy because of all the support. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment on the videos. Because yeah, still I'm the same guy, Joshua, a starting artist here in Barcelona, trying to make infinity pieces, everything around the concept of infinity here in my right now still very small studio, from which I hope one day I'll be able to expand to my own place, much bigger, maybe hopefully one day my own gallery. Who knows where this is gonna go? But yeah, let me show you guys what this piece is and where it's going. And here's just a little shot from the studio, the way it looks like right now. If you compare this to one of the first videos, this is getting quite full. There is a whole shelf to save my frames, to keep them a little bit away from the dust as much as possible. And yeah, there she is, looking like a very regular mirror. But of course, most of you know the process already, what I'm doing here. Let me show you guys how this thing looks with the LEDs on and the lights off. Alright guys, I'm just waiting for the taxi to arrive, and yeah, this is actually the workshop that my little studio is in. It's called Colectivo Bahel. Anyone coming here to Barcelona, hook me up, send a DM, I'll show you guys around. Just one of the things right there, you know, the alien piece. There's a lot of paintings here going on. So many artists in this place, amazing. Yeah, guys, the piece has just been delivered. I just gave them the explanation how things work and everything. Of course, it's not mounted yet. That's not up to me right now. They're still deciding where exactly it's gonna go because they have this massive, amazing gallery here in the center of Barcelona, and they just took on a new one in Lisbon. So they're still looking, or either to hang the piece here somewhere dedicated, you know, to Banksy, or to hang it in Lisbon. And again, I'm super proud to show this to you guys. Thanks for all the support. Thanks for all the subscribers. To the new people, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because that all helps me towards the big dream, having a space like this for myself, dedicated to the infinity subject and the 5 elements and so on. But again, yeah, thanks to everyone. I'll see you at the next one.